Hello, Emily. Today, I would like to show you how to use Region tool and what settings you should apply. I decided to talk to you because Softimage has a plugin add-on. You can install Cycles Render Engine, but the issue is there is no EV uh, and there is no separate window that you can see what's going on in real time. But I will show you another tool which can be useful, especially when you resize the texture, when you change sky material, because we also have sky texture and sky background. I will show you in a minute because I have got like sky texture as well. So you can see almost in real time by using this tool. Okay, when you go to render, we have like simulate, render option, regions. When you go to all options, you should see use the current path option. If you deselect, you won't be able to see what's going on. But after when you select this, everything will display in real time. Okay, let's go, April. I will select this wall and I will show to you some other quite cool things. Sun elevation. You will see the difference. Sun intensity. I think I will decrease little bit. Altitude, this is to do with how far horizon goes. Also, the pattern, I will check this. Ozone has to do with how intensive our sky supposed to be. The sun disk. Without it, you won't be able to see. We also have settings related to cycle's background. This also, uh, this also will change intensity of the sky, people. I also wanted to, sorry, I forgotten to mention something, because I have to move icon cycles background, so you can manipulate behavior of the sky. Shift and the Q button will turn this on. Hopefully I will be able to change sky in real time. I think we will have to select. I will move below. I think, oh yes. You can also change intensity of the light itself. I will select this. Not only this, I forgotten to mention something important. Oh nice, this is looking so much better. I wanted the light to be less intensive. I think I will have to move to this side. I believe our light can be moved from different angle. So this side of the wall will have light. You can see what I done. Also, I forgotten people to mention that you can see texture changing in real time. Unfortunately, because we are using Cycles render engine, it's not a only the render engine. When you go to render manager, you can switch. You can choose hardware renderer, You can choose looks to render. You can choose mental ray. You can choose uh, standard render. But I have chosen this. But make sure you go if you want the cycles render to be active. You don't go to render options because this will not come up straight away. You have to go to render and render manager to activate. But if you want to install it, you will have to go to file, add-ons, add-on, install. You choose the file which needs to be installed. But basically, I don't want to tell you right now, but I showed you how to do that. You can even uninstall it. If you want to install the newer version of Cycles, you have to go to Softimage add-ons to be able to download this. But this render engine works very well. Oh, okay, now the next step is... Oh no, my program crashed. I don't know why. Maybe I shouldn't switch network. I will get back to you after a few seconds. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Getting back to you. I had the issue with Softimage program. I don't know why this happened. I will have to be careful how I use this program. Because sometimes it crashes. It's not perfect, but it can happen sometimes. At least I saved the scene and everything seems to be okay, but I have to move like a little bit closer. When I made changes, I didn't know that program would crash, and I will have to place like that way. I want to get back to render review. Region tool. Keep in mind that... Oh no, why do I see this? Oh no, I shouldn't... Oh, this shouldn't be here. Why I see lectures? Oh no, this... No good. No good. My texture is overlapping. I will have to check what I done wrong. I don't want to remove a clusters. Oh yes, I know. I understand why this happened. I didn't save I didn't save before, so I have to delete all the projection. Sorry people, I have to get back to you. Now, maybe I will be able to show you what I do next. Application isn't perfect. This can crash sometimes because this program is no longer supported. Like Blender. Blender has active development, so nothing goes wrong with Blender. Okay, I will have to select object. Now I will be able to see my texture. And bear with me because I have to do this slowly. Okay, now I can press Shift Q. So you will be able to see how I change texture, how how it updates in real time. Oh, okay. Where is scale? You can see we made some changes. But I excluded one wall from selection, which was wrong. I was... Oh no. I will have to select... I will have to check a keyboard shortcuts. Now I can show to you Shift Q. You can see everything is coming up in real time. Be careful when you work with Softimage because application is no longer supported, but I consider it to be stable because any application can crash. There is no perfect application, but at least you can use some Softimage add-ons. And it supports the latest cycles render engine. I will show you. You may not believe me, but it has active development towards cycles. This is the proof, and add-on is open source and free, and you can use inside Softimage. I hope you like my video tutorial how to use render region. Hope, sorry that I didn't pronounce properly. I think I supposed to pronounce render region. Correct me if I was pronouncing bad. I come from Poland. Sometimes I struggle to speak English very well. I try to do my best. And see you guys. Have a nice evening.